Oh, yeah. Oh, what's going on, chat? What's going on? It's Mega Money Mondays. Mega Money Mondays. We're back. I had a day yesterday. I flew to Pittsburgh. Flew to Pittsburgh to look at a truck yesterday. We left at 4 in the morning. And got to Pittsburgh, drove to West Virginia, and then bought a $600,000 truck. Not bad. Not bad. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so taking a look here, what's going on? Get ready for market open today, 9:15 in the morning. Nothing too crazy. Don't need to get crazy, you know. We're gonna take it easy today. We're gonna make some money, and then we're gonna walk away. That's the plan, right? We had a big pump up here Sunday, 6 o'clock. Bang, bang, bang. We're at the highs right now. Clearly some resistance there. 23,783. Bang, 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 bang. What is that? Like a what's 5? What happens when something is 5? Anybody know? It's not a quad. It's penta. Quint. There we go. I knew it was something. Quint. Quint. It's we got a quintessential top here. Quintessential top. Somebody asked, what kind of truck costs $600,000? The kind of truck that fucking you go to the moon on, boys. Don't you worry about daddy, okay? I got that big money. Look at this thing. This is my new truck. I just sent the money this morning. Oh my God. Listen to it. Listen to it. It's an off-road racing trophy truck. 1,000 horsepower. It's not street legal, obviously, but yeah, that's what $600,000 gets you right there, buddy. The plan is to go race some desert races out in the West Coast next year, so. Hey, was I kidding about it on Friday? Was I kidding? Was I kidding about it? Nope, I wasn't. For anybody who's asking, the front of it was taken off because we're looking at the motor. But this is what it actually... Did I post a photo of it? I don't know if I posted a photo of it. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put a wrap on it, put an Only Prop Firms wrap on there, BDH. Maybe a big rooster on the side. Maybe a big rooster on the side there. You're not making this kind of money to buy a new car every day. LOL. That is 600K is not normal. You guys are fucking don't even start. Y'all broke bitches in the chat. Let's be, hey, remember what I said on Friday? Let's have some positivity, chat. Let's have a good day, right? This is my daily driver. This is what my daily driver looks like. 2025 Platinum F250. I can run over anything with it. Look, I got the gold wheels. Ooh! 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 How does grandma? Grandma don't get in, bro. Grandma ain't getting in my truck. Can you talk about the market? No, Masco. Go fuck yourself. I'm not in the mood today. I'm just not in the mood. Anyone got a problem? Just go fuck yourself. Get out of here. All right, Nasdaq up to the highs right now. I mean, that's kind of what we got. We've got the kind of big pump there from NFP on Friday, that high 23,900 level. We've just basically been in this like tight range overnight, right? Tight range. So I kind of would say that in theory, we would maybe retest the bottom of the range, or maybe if we break out here, kind of pump, and then we pull back. We do have a gap to the downside, that dotted line there. So clearly the market just can't go higher for now, but you never know. You never know what happens next. What do we got? We got any news today? Any news today? Anybody? Trump talks at 11. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I would think, right? Would maybe we kind of pop up here, we trap above those highs from the overnight, and then we pull back. Obviously, if we don't pull back, well then, we got that Friday high up there, I guess. 10% of a 50 basis point cut coming up. Could happen. Could happen. Could happen. Yeah, we got yeah, nothing really out of the ordinary. 10 o'clock, a little bit of news. Employment trends index, not a big number. So it might just be a choppy morning. Right now, Nasdaq's still pumping to the highs now. We still got about 8 minutes till market opens. So patience, my friends, patience. Patience, Junior. Patience. Hourly chart, we're above the VWAP, we're above all those EMAs, but we just got a lot of resistance there right now. If we get stuck there, well, we start to pull back. Got a big gap, obviously, in the QQQ for now. Tapping, tapping, tapping. Tapping, tapping, tapper. He's a tapper. Mister, why you tapping, mister? Mister. Hey, mister. Why you doing it like that, mister? All right. We're just kind of relaxing here. Don't get too excited, everybody. I see everybody in the chat getting all excited. Don't get all excited. Just relax. Sit back. Today's a good day to be patient. We're up here at these highs right now. Part of me, you know, like, is thinking that I just want to get short right into this resistance and then watch this thing roll down there. It's kind of like a big bear flag, really. Kind of. Maybe like a little funky, but Kelly bought the course on Friday for only 20 bucks. Let's go, Kelly. Let's go, Kelly. Let's go, Kelly. Look at the ES right now as well. ES pushing up there to that overnight high, that resistance up there as well. So it's time to party, to party, to party. Brian said he's long from open last night and looking to take profit at the bump of all-time high. Set at bump of all-time high. What's the bump of all-time high? Up here, 24,000. Okay. Well, we'll see what happens. We're gonna see what happens here, my friends. Hey Pat, did you meet ICT? No, I didn't. I was kidding about meeting ICT this weekend. I went to Virginia to go look at a truck. Y'all thought people thought I was actually gonna meet ICT. Y'all funny. I ain't got no time for that fucking guy. Y'all real funny, man. Just hold for a month. Holders get rewarded. Oh, wow. Let me get long on my Apex account for 1 month. And then request a payout next month. No problem with that, right? No problem than that. When's the last time you got a payout? I think like 2023. 2023 was the last time I got a payout. But don't worry. It's been 2 years and I'm getting close. What city in Virginia did you go to? I went to West Virginia, David. West Virginia. I say Virginia, but it was actually West Virginia. I flew into Pittsburgh and then drove to the middle of nowhere to West Virginia. How can you get the course for $20? Well, you should have tuned in last week, my friend. You gotta watch the stream. You never know when I might do a crazy discount. You know, don't stop watching. Just keep watching, people. All right, I mean, I'm not trying to like be a bear here, but I feel like this is gonna want to trap above here, above these highs and then pull back. But what do I know? We'll see. I'm gonna be patient. Wait for that 15-minute range. Got a pretty tight range overnight here. We did gap up, but most of that gap up happened during the Sunday open, so. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Like you just don't care. Vinny said, your strategies are simple. No mumbo jumbo. I mean, trading ain't supposed to be, you know, ain't supposed to be hard. I mean, it's hard, but it ain't supposed to be hard in the sense of like, you know, buy low, sell high. Sell high, buy low kind of thing. We're above the VWAP right now. VWAP's been kind of flat overnight since for most of like the London session. Right now, a little pump here into open. Like one part of me just wants to get short, but I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient, chat. We're gonna be patient. No need to not be patient. You know what I mean? We don't need to be nothing but patient today. I don't want to repeat of Friday where we weren't patient, we got chopped up, and then we finally got a good move, you know? I want that patience. We're gonna get paid today. We're gonna get paid today, chat. You just hold on. Here we go. Market about to open up. Got about 2 minutes here. We got the VWAP to the downside. There's like two scenarios here, right? Two scenarios. We either like go straight up at open and then we come crashing back down, or we crash down here at open, we tap the VWAP, and then we get some support and we come back up. We do have the gap from Friday, the close on Friday, all the way down there, 23,680. So I'm leaning more towards the idea of a pullback, maybe a rip then, but you know how that goes. Sometimes it's the rip and then the dip. Win trophy truck. I paid for it. Now I just gotta wait for it to get shipped to Florida. $20 seconds here. 20 seconds till market opens. Right now, pulling back here. Pulling back here. Got the VWAP down there to see if we get some support at the VWAP. There we go. Got a little bit of a pop up there above the 800s. If we keep kind of like, I'm kind of watching here. I like this idea of just kind of getting short here into this pop, but I just don't know how high it's going to go. Let's try it. Short at the 800s. Stop at the high of day so far. We'll see if we get a pullback to fill that gap here maybe. After I just said I wasn't going to jump in right away, but yo-hoo. Yo-hoo. I'm going break even now on it. We can't lose. Let's get this reversal, baby. Come on, get this. No. Ugh. Such a joke. Why? All right, relax. It's still going down. Still going down. I want to see that 800 area turns into resistance there now. I just felt like I was like, it was gonna pop above the 800 there and then just start coming right back down, which we were up 20 points on it, but whatever. That 800 area acting as resistance. So I say if we lose 780s, I'm trying to short below 780. ES already pulled back. Nvidia popped straight up there at open, so Nvidia making Nasdaq go up here so far. I still think this is a good spot to get short. Just got to kind of time it right. Need the right timing here. We got that big gap to the downside. We're stuck below the 800s here. ES is right at the VWAP for now. Brain fart, I know you're long. I don't care, bro. You put your trade on, put my trade on. How about that? There's that pullback. Oh, man. All right, I'm gonna try a little short here. Stop above that candle and see if we can't roll down there to the VWAP at least. We should try to roll down here. I'm gonna go stop high of day here. Stop high of day for now. It's only one contract per account. I'm gonna try to add into this if we get back below the 80s there. If we sell back below 80s, I'm gonna add. Trying to play into this gap fill idea, but market is kind of holding the 800 level for now. Nope. And back up there to the highs again. Nvidia going straight up right now. Fucking Nvidia. We're getting stopped. All right. ES held up there for now. Nasdaq held up. I still think there's a fucking good short coming here, but it did come right back up there, didn't it? Nasdaq squeezing back up there, 820s. This should be some resistance here. Let's see. Got a pivot point up there, 880 area. Big buyer at the 814s popping up, 40 contracts sitting there. He got filled. Dipped it below the lows and popped right back up. ES is holding up there at the VWAP for now. ES right there at the VWAP, holding that 6,500 level. Nasdaq just kind of squeezing up here. Nasdaq squeezing up here. Nasdaq kind of back into that Friday morning chop here, where we chopped around on Friday, hitting some resistance there for now, 850 area. Just got to be patient. See what this market holds. Some pullback there. ES is pulling back again as well. Nasdaq's right up into that resistance now. This should be that reversal. There we go. There we go. We finally got the reversal, boys. I knew it was gonna reverse. Fuck. Locked in over $10,000 there in those new Apex accounts that we passed on Friday. So still waiting to take a trade in my personal account. And we are still short in these take profit trader accounts. Get through this 800 level, try to cover some down there. See how far we can ride them. I told you the shorts are gonna get paid today. Look at the ES dumping right now. ES is dumping. Nasdaq's pulling back here. I'm gonna leave 5 contracts right there, basically break even, see if there's a chance that we can move down, fill that gap, but if not. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, Nasdaq. The chop is real. The chop is real! Wow. It's a 30.1 minute candle. You gotta love that. Right into those EMAs. Well, good thing we took profit down there. Now this will be the top there, the lower high, but the Dow is down lower as well. Nvidia trying to push back up there to the 170 level. Ooh, la 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 la. Push back up there to the top of the opening range right now. We got this pivot point coming up there, 888 level. Just kind of sitting there, banging on the top of the opening range now. All right, the bulls are in trouble here. If they can't get through this high, there's trouble. ES is trying to push back up. Nasdaq's trying, but they got to get it through that 850 area sooner than later. You know what I mean? Quicker than later. Later than quicker. Quicker than later, chat. Quicker than later. We must get it quicker than later. We're holding those EMAs for now, and they're just like right there, double top kind of again. But I say we break through 850 here. We got 2 minutes until the 15-minute range is set. These first fucking, look at these 5-minute candles. Yes, all the accounts from Take Profit Trader mirror each other. Yes, mirrors. I mirror them. Copy trading. Quicker than later. There's that tap. See, running into that resistance again there. The bulls are in trouble. Soccer dad said, I wouldn't go short anymore. Well, we'll find out. Nvidia really just showing a lot of strength. Nasdaq getting very tight here. Holding those EMAs. If they break it through those highs, if they break it through them highs there, who knows what happens next? Well, I know what happens next. It goes higher. Get it? Higher. The ES is having trouble. Nasdaq's having trouble here at the 850s again. Bulls got to get through that 850 quick. The bears are loading up here. They're loading up into that resistance. Double top, triple top, quadruple top resistance there. It's a bear feast right now. But if they get over that 850 area, the bears are in trouble. The bulls are going to stampede. It's kind of that line in the sand right now. 820 to the 850 area. If they lose 820s, trouble. Looks like they're running into some trouble here. The ES is moving back down as well. Nasdaq stuck there, 850 area. Nvidia running out a little bit of a steam over there, a little bit of steam. Getting real tight, real tight. Good Lord. Nasdaq, which way you gonna go? Got the VWAP down there at the bottom of the opening range here. Nvidia's pulling back a little bit. The ES is down at the lows right now. ES is down at the lows. Nasdaq's sitting here. I feel like the Nasdaq probably starts rolling off here sooner than later. Sooner than later, it gets through the 820 area. There's the middle of the 15-minute range. Still very much just in the middle of the 15-minute range here. No clear direction. We got the VWAP kind of percolating here a little bit. Ba 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 ba. getting so tight right now. ES is starting to push back up. The Dow is starting to push back up. Getting some strength, it looks like. If the ES, Nasdaq can start pushing here, squeeze some of those shorts out. Those shorts have been loading up here, thinking this is going to fill that gap. They've been trying to get that gap fill. No big news at 10, by the way. No big news. Testing 50s again. There's the push. Up there to the 50s now. Will the bulls continue? ES is pushing back up. I like that. The ES is pushing back up here. ES needs to break out of this kind of like a little trend to the downside there. Not breaking out there yet. Nasdaq broke the opening range just for a second, came right back down. Market makers are watching the opening range now, boys. Watch out. Careful now, careful. Careful now. All right, well, the Nasdaq just continue to kind of hold these EMAs for now. If we lose those EMAs, VWAP down there next, VWAP at the 780 area. Just kind of chopping McChopperson here. Somebody said to get short. What happened? Oh no. Anar M said finally short. Uh-oh. 30-point pop. 30-point pop. God. I told you all to be careful there. Shorts are gonna get squeezed. Nice shout out to Brain Fart this morning. Brain Fart. Bum, 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 bum. I mean, it's just kind of going nowhere, to be honest. We broke out of the opening range. It's kind of chop. Very tight right now. Very tight. Looking at the hourly chart, you know, we're pushing into a lot of resistance up here. We did have kind of a triple bottom there, obviously on the hourly chart for now. So ding, 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 ding. Do we break out here? Do we push through here? Which way do we go? Oh, that's a daily chart, by the way. Sorry. Daily chart there. Yeah, so Friday's high is 901. Yeah, the ES is going absolutely nowhere right now. ES is going absolutely nowhere. Just kind of holding there at the VWAP, chopping around. I managed to scalp a little bit here. Scalp on these longs. Ding, 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 ding. So we're up a little over 20,000 now on those new Apex accounts. Have not put a trade on in my personal account yet, just because nothing has really stood out. Nothing's really stood out there. Push up there to Friday's high, that NFP number high there, maybe. Nasdaq still just kind of pushing here. Getting real tight either way. We're just holding that opening range. Kind of like where if I was gonna get long, what do I get long at here? Just get long on the fucking pullback. Maybe get a little, see if we get like a little trap to the downside for a long entry. Nvidia's kind of like looking a little, but yeah, I mean, it might look like it's gonna roll off right now, and then a big old boner candle just comes back. Soccer dads, tell me when to get short. Well, right now we broke out of the opening range to the upside, so I'm looking for longs. Fucking A, look at that. A pullback again, just not getting it there. Okay. Okay, we got 6,000 people watching. We got 400 likes. Come on, people. Get them likes up. Let's pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. There we go, fucking A, man. Look at it, she just keeps going. Market going down, all caps. Sell now, Patrick, sell now. Ah! Nvidia is just like going straight up pretty much, just kind of like slowly going up. As long as Nvidia keeps going up, Nasdaq's not going to go down. So we got a pivot point coming up there, 888's next. Yeah, the opening range breakout, little pullback into the 9 EMA off of that 50s, now up there to the 875s. That's 25 points for the opening range breakout. For anybody who's wondering, we're trading the Nasdaq, trading futures here. Look at that. Oh. This is where the FOMO takes over, but you know how that goes, right? If you go and you chase this, let's say if you get long right here, what's gonna happen? It's gonna pull back. Give it some time. Let me get some kind. Give me look. Bigger time frame. 5-minute chart, a little bit of trouble there for now. I would love to get like a little bull flag back into that area kind of thing, you know? The amount of people that just keep coming, people saying, just sell, just sell. Why is everybody so bearish? Why y'all so bearish? Why y'all so bearish? All right, no reason to buy the dip here yet. Just kind of let's see what happens these candles. Danny rage quit? What did he rage quit for? What do you mean he rage quit? I want to see. I want to see. I want to see. He quit trading? Dude, it's never a good sign. Never a good sign when you take away your P&L from the screen. Never good.
Bear market, right? Alright. I want to see the break of that split.
Never good.
That's just my decision.
You can't, how do you even tell what his position is? How do you even know? He's got those fucking... He got short at the opening range high breakout. All right, Nasdaq just kind of chopping around here. I'm not interested in really doing much until we see like either a retest of the opening range, like the middle of the opening range, or something that just really gets me excited. Ah, dead. Down 4K on the day. Okay. What happened next? Did he get short again? Oh, he must have got short again. Yes. Yes, Chad.
Oh, stop, Phil.
Listen to this. Listen to this. Get ready for this. Get ready for this. Get ready for this, chat. Get ready for this right here. Get ready. 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 Get ready.
Whoa! Stop, Phil.
Oh no! Not the boner candle, bro. Not the boner candle. Stop filled. Oh, Danny, it happens, bro. It happens. Let's talk about why it's not a good idea to get short. You know? If like the way I look at it too is if we're in the middle of that opening range, I'm playing the idea that the middle of the opening range is going to be support, right? If we're above the middle of the opening range, then it's like this is my new kind of like levels. This is support, this is resistance. Now, I understand the idea like, oh, I'm going to get short right here into the top of the range, but guess what happens majority of the time? Majority of the time, the market loves to do this. It loves to pop up and then come back down. Whereas like it doesn't I feel like very rarely does the market very rarely does it just get stuck right at the top of the 15-minute range. You know, when you think about it, like normally we need, because you think, all right, the 15-minute range, that's a candle. That's when we say 15-minute range, we're talking about the first 15-minute candle. So the idea here is like, if the market's pushing up, is it gonna just like get stuck right at the top of this candle, or is it gonna trap and break to the upside and then come back down? So that's the way you got to think about that. That's why I don't like to get short into just like be like, oh, let me get short into the top of the 15-minute range. ES is making new lows. See, but the Nasdaq's still kind of holding on here. Nvidia pulled back, which we were kind of looking for Nvidia to pull back, but I'm not overly bearish. See, like for me right now, if I'm looking for a trade, I'm looking more for a trade back. I want to see it pull back to the VWAP and then maybe put in another higher low, kind of like that. Whereas I don't want to get short right here because it's just like I'm afraid of a V. Right? I don't want that V back up. I'm afraid of the V, okay? The little VV. That's the scary V. What type of car do you have? If you don't know what it is, then you just too poor. You better get learnt, boy. Oh, there my shorts. I got sad news though. I'm actually selling the Lamborghini. I'm selling the Lamborghini and I'm buying a trophy truck. I know, it's crazy, but let's be honest. What's gonna be more fun? Jumping a trophy truck through the fucking desert or driving a Lamborghini around Miami? You know, I'm kind of like, I'm over that. I ain't about that life. All right, we kind of have a little pushback up here. You know, this is like, okay, we looking at it like we be looking at it like if we get like back above 850s here, maybe there's a little more push out of it to the upside. The ES did take the lows already. The ES took the lows, kind of trapping below and push right back up 6,500. The Dow and the ES are both at the lows right now. Nasdaq's kind of holding on here. We're watching Nvidia, so I want to see what happens like right here. You know, because maybe like we could. I guess the one worry that I would have is maybe we push up to like here, and then we pull back. Like I'd be okay. Maybe I take a short then. Maybe I'd get short if we kind of build out this. Let's see what happens. I don't like. I keep saying I don't want to short right there, but I feel like if maybe we kind of, if we put in a lower high right here, then we could go a short. I see you in a rock bouncer better if you really want that off-road feel. Have you ever been 100 miles an hour through the desert, bro? Have you ever gone 100 miles an hour through the desert? Go bounce around in the rocks, bro. Is that a Bugatti or McLaren? It's a McLaren. I'm not that rich. All right, we're putting in a lower high right now. Kind of just watching. The ES is... I would feel like if the ES really starts to go... If the ES starts to dump here, then Nasdaq will follow. Problem is, Nvidia is kind of just holding it up right now. Nvidia at that 170 area. Aid Joseph FX said, Patrick, just go short and wait, okay? Fuck, man, okay. Well, if you told me to, okay. Okay, mister. Okay, mister. Do you not see it taking out Friday's high? No, I do see it possibly taking out Friday's high, but I'm just saying, like, I don't want to get long. I just feel like I don't want to get long right here. Because the way the ES, like if the ES was looking more bullish, maybe I'd be a little bit more excited to get long, but I hate the fact that the ES is like just stuck down here, but maybe that's what's going to send the Nasdaq higher now, I guess, so. FA123 said clueless. I'm clueless. Okay, buddy. I'm so clueless. I'm up $2,000. How much are you up today? I'm up so much money I can't even count. Okay, you're clueless. You're clueless. Like I've said a million times, people, the joke's on you, right? The joke's on you, not on me. You can talk shit about me all you want, but at the same time, you're still watching. You know, like you still watching the show no matter what. So just keep on watching, buddy. All right, we're still kind of putting in that lower high. Like at this, I want to see some weakness here. I like maybe another little pop up, maybe some weakness there. The problem is Nvidia, man. Nvidia just kind of holding, staying alive over there. You know? So, let's see. I'd maybe get short below 850 if I was gonna right at the top of the 15-minute range. See, like that's the problem. There's so many things going on right now. We're right here at the 15-minute range. We got that pivot point right there. We got the Friday high there. There's just so much going on here. ES is holding up. Fucking A. What is this? It's a tricky one, man. Like, I want to get short, but I'm also, like, kind of looking like it might want to go long. We're trying to predict too much today. You're not wrong, Dominic. You're not wrong, Dominic. Nvidia is trying to push back up here. I'm going to try the long for a new high push. Stop below the 55s here. Let's see if we can get a ride. We bought our ticket. And all we can do now is just see if we can get a ride on the train. Can I get a train ride up there to that pivot point? Ticket booked. Okay, the ticket is booked. Oh God. Might have to pull this down a little bit. Ticket not booked. I don't want to book it anymore. I don't want to I want off refund. I want a refund, sir. All right, we're gonna double down. Buy 2 tickets for the price of 1. Man, if this thing pulls back and dumps, I'm gonna be pissed. And I'm gonna break something. What can I break? What can I break? What can I break? What can I break, chat? Well, so far, not so good. Why did I do that? I listen to the chat. It's always the chat. Chat always gets me. I blame the chat every time, you know? You guys you be telling me, you be like, Patrick, just get long and hold it till the 900s. I'm like, okay. Okay. Whatever you say. Whatever you say, chat. We're all right. We're all good. Everything's fine. Everything is totally fine. We did put in that lower high there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, well, I got my stop right here at the 50s. Or let me go, yeah, right there at the, we'll go 45s here. Oh, my Lord. They're chasing my stop. The market makers are chasing it. Ugh. What am I doing? Ugh. I don't want to talk about it right now. Why not stop below the orb? Well, that would be a big stop, boy. That would be a really big stop. All right, we got to hold this 850 area. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hold it. Hold it. Man, oh man, that was very silly. It's so frustrating because I literally, this was, whatever. If we get stopped, we get stopped, whatever. That was so stupid. Oh, don't worry. We got an extra one. We're still, now we're short. We had an extra order there. How did that happen? No way. I'm gonna get fucked both ways on that. All right, we're loading up short here. Do we get a pullback? Nvidia is starting to pull back. I can't get stopped out both ways, right? Can't get stopped out both ways. The shitty part is that, like, this was literally what I predicted happening. That's the shitty part. Like, why did I not just stick to my fucking plan in the first place? Retard. Retard boy. Ain't nothing but a thing, chat. Got the VWAP down there at the 800s. Pure genius or pure gambling? Hey, I'll take either as long as I win. As long as I win, that's all I care about, chat. $15 contracts sounds better than 10 contracts, so let's see. She wants to roll so badly. Nvidia's pulling back here. Nvidia back to the VWAP. The ES has not been able to move either. The Dow's pulling back. We're gonna make so much money on this trade. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I got a feeling. Nvidia just needs to roll. ES is down there, 6,500s, chopping around. Yeah, the chat always changes their view. That's the convenience of being in the chat, is you can say whatever you want and nobody cares when you're wrong. But if I say something and I'm wrong, it's the end of the fucking world. Lose this 830 level, get back down there to the VWAP. I'm targeting my first fill would be like down here 800s. Possibly, so. What's crazy is this is exactly what I talked about, and I don't I love how I talked about this happening, and then I got long, like a fucking retard, and then look how it played out, like just stupid. The reason that we're not getting long, well, now we're not getting long because this is a lower high there. So VWAP down there 800 now. Come on, VWAP, let's go. Trying to lose this 830 support. All right, I'm moving my stop to the 41s. Play it safe here. All right, a little play it safe. Oh, don't, no. Come on, let's keep going. Let's roll through 30s here. No way. So ugh. Nasdaq just chopping right there to the 830s. It's like, come on, come on, come on. We gotta get to the VWAP at least. We gotta get to the VWAP at least, chat. If we don't hit the fucking VWAP, I'll cut off my dick live on YouTube. True story. I will. I'll cut it off. I will cut this bitch off because I'm that confident that we're gonna hit the fucking VWAP here. I am that fucking confident, boys. I am that fucking confident right now. Good thing it's only 3 inches, so it's not that much to cut off. Gotcha. Joke's on you, chat. Joke is on you. Oh my, no way. All right, middle of the 15-minute range here. We just gotta flip that middle of the 15-minute range. Come on. Don't do this to me, Nasdaq. I don't want to cut my dick off today. Please don't make me cut my dick off. Please. Please, Nasdaq. Please. Please, ES is moving down. ES is down. We're going, boys. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. Nobody gets scared. Nobody gets scared. Nobody gets scared. Nobody gets scared. No, but I'm not cutting my... Oh my God, 10 points away from cutting my dick off. Oh God. Why did I say this? Why did I say this, chat? Why? Why did I say I would cut my dick off? Just hit the VWAP, man, come on. No. We're going VWAP, baby. First profit target, VWAP. It's got to hit VWAP. Come on. Oh, there's no way. No way we're gonna bounce here, right? No fucking way. No fucking way, chat. Oh my. I can't. Can't deal with this right now. Everything's trying to bounce, I know. Fuck me. I didn't say, hey, I didn't say what time the VWAP was gonna hit, okay? I just said the VWAP was gonna hit at some point today, okay? I might be wrong with my timing, but right now, I'm good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, chat. Oh, my dick is this big right now. It is so scared. It is so scared. It is so scared. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, it's fucking cold. It is. Oh my. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. Are you kidding me right now? What do we hit a low of? No fucking way. No fucking way, chat. No fucking way. No way. Come on. Come on. Oh, baby Jesus. No fucking way. Where's Trump at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh my Lord. We got so close to the VWAP, right? I mean, it was close. Oh, guys, we were 4 points away from the VWAP. Come on now. We were 4 points away from the VWAP. Come on. Don't make me do this. Don't make me do this, chat, please. Don't make me cut it off, please. Oh my Lord. Oh, this is not good. I can't live like this anymore. I can't live like this anymore, chat. Can't live like this anymore. All right, we tapped into some EMAs there. Oh my God, no way. Guys, come on. Don't make me do it. What am I can't live without a dick. Come on, VWAP. Come on, Nasdaq, please, baby, please. No, come on, Nasdaq, come on. Break 820s here. Break 820s here. Break the 820s and we're good. Oh. God damn it. No way. No way, chat. It ain't happening. This thing's it's going down. Come on. Come on. US is mulling over annual China chip supply for permits for Samsung and Hints. That's not good news. That's not good news. That's not good news. Not good news for me. Wow. Just right off the middle of the 15-minute range. Right back up. Got so fucking close to the VWAP, man. What a wild ride. Why? What a joke. What a fucking joke. Oh, Lord. Hey, I don't care what anyone says. It hit the VWAP, okay? I can make it hit the VWAP. Watch. No, it's got to hit the VWAP. Let me see. One way or another, I'm going to figure it out. High and low. Oh, see, I told you. VWAP touched. All good. We're good. Don't worry. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Do you even know what the VWAP is? Very wet ass pussy. Okay? Relax, bro. I know what the VWAP is, okay? I'm not a virgin like you are, okay? I know what VWAP means. Okay? Like, come on. Like, why would I not know what very wet ass pussy is? Come on. Literally, I know everything. Trump pumping the market back up here right off the VWAP, just like I said. Just like I said. Just like I said. Fuck. Both the ES and the Nasdaq are ripping back up here now. Classic. Fucking boner candle right off the fucking VWAP. Nvidia bounced off the VWAP. What a time to be alive. So annoying. Yeah, literally, how did Trump was waiting. Trump was sitting there at the White House and he was like, guys, How close are we to the VWAP? All right, we're at the VWAP now. Okay, I'm gonna walk outside now. Get ready. Get ready, reporters. I'm coming. I'm coming, chat. That's right. I ignored the 930 fair value gap. What? Where's the fair value gap at, bro? Which, I don't see the fair value gap. Please tell me where the fair value gap is. First fair value gap on the 1 minute chart. Where? Where? I don't even see it. I see an inverse fair value gap. I see that. 934 candle, what? Oh, this fair value. Oh, why did I not fucking look at that? Dude, first fair value gap of the day turns into support. Pfft, mind blown. Meta to spend $600 billion in the next 36 months to buy mainly Nvidia chips. Ooh. A lot of talk about Fed cuts and all that fun stuff coming up here. All right, Nasdaq back up there to the highs once again. Back up to the highs once again. We can push up there or tap into that pivot point there, 880 area. Dodgy made 40 cents in 29 accounts, bro. He's better than you. Damn it. Dodgy's trading the micros. Dodgy he trades micros. He trades the penny micros. Every move in the Nasdaq is 1 penny. Penny micros. Micro. He's the nano micros. Do they still have the nanos? They did have nanos for a minute, right? They had the nanos for a while. I thought they had didn't they have nanos for a minute? Anybody else remember that? Arthur McConney said all day. I called it 800. What? What'd you call? I'm so confused right now. What is he talking about? What'd he call? 800 what? We're at 875, bro. What is this guy talking about? All day I called it. What is he talking about? What is he talking about? Like literally, what is this guy talking about right now? Patrick, I called it all day. Okay, all fucking day I've been calling it. Patrick, okay? All day. So you need to like respect my name, okay? PW, do you ever trade in a Roth IRA? No, I just buy Apple. I have a Roth IRA, but I just buy Apple and I don't trade it. Honestly, that's all. I just put all my money into Apple. I'm like the Warren Buffett of the stock market, basically, of the futures world. I make money trading futures, and then I put all my money into Apple. That and trophy trucks. True story. Very true story. Why don't you ever take partials? I mean, honestly, I just couldn't believe that we didn't like tap that 800 level. To me, I mean, that's kind of why. I mean, that was just like, I was impressive to me, to be honest. It was like impressive. How did you know that Nvidia will go down? I didn't know that. How'd you know it? Patrick, go on Top Step TV and learn from them. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one. Thank you very much for bad advice. Talk about bad advice of the day. Bad advice of the day, chat. Not good advice, that's for sure. How's your Apple portfolio doing? I don't know. I don't even look at it, to be honest. Where the fuck's my phone at? It's on the floor. Well, that would explain that. That would explain that, wouldn't it? That would really explain it. All right, we're up a nice little chunk of change in these new Apex accounts. We passed these accounts on Friday with the NFP news, and just kind of, I don't know, we're just rolling with it right now. This market ain't going very where, you know. So we are creating a inverse head and shoulders. Hold on, I gotta look really quickly. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, no, that's definitely inverse. You're right about that. You're right. It's upside down, head and shoulders. Which account did I lose 15,000 on? What? I didn't lose 15,000 on any account. What you talking about, Willis? 15,000 what? Huh? What? What was the joke about the cop posting your lost phone yesterday? I don't know. I saw it on Twitter and I just took the photo and I thought it'd be funny because people could like post about it and talk about how I got arrested. You know, I guess it wasn't that. I guess people didn't really pick up on the joke. You know, I guess it wasn't as funny as I thought it would be, to be honest. So that was kind of, yeah. All right, we're at the top of the opening range here. Can we get more pushy out of here now? I kind of want to try a long, but now I'm oh my God, oh no. I'm FOMOing. I'm gonna add in, I bought 15 already. Fuck, that's not good. Well, now we got 30. We're looking for a push through the opening range high to the 900 level, boys. It's either 900 or I cut my dick off. It's either 900 or I'm cutting my dick off. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for more. Live from the BDH. Can't cut what's not there. Oh, that's not very nice. Hey, the Nasdaq hit the VWAP, okay? It did. I don't care what anybody says, it hit the VWAP. Clearly, you can see it hit the VWAP there. So, I'm safe from cutting my dick off for not hitting the VWAP. Now we're in trouble if we don't hit the 900s. Trump is now live. Oh, God. Come on, Daddy Trump. Talk about something good. Talk about something good for me. Say something good. Say something good for me, chat. Please. Oh, this is not good. Not good. And not good. Oh, it's back. We're good. We're good. Little bull flag here. We break out. We push to the 900s next. Book it. Go ahead and book it, chat. Go ahead and book it. Are you short or long? Well, it depends who's asking. A small midget might say that it's long. A full-size woman might say that it's short. But, you know, it really just depends on who you're asking, to be honest. You know? You know what I mean? It's, you know, it's all about perspective, really. It's all about perspective when you really think about it. It's all about perspective. Perspective is everything, people. Anthony said this is not a trading, it's a comedy show. Well, you know, my trading's not that good, but at least my comedy's good, you know? At least. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. Daddy wants to party. He wants to party. He wants to party. He wants to party. I gotta go pee. Should I go pee now and come back later? Ugh. I wore these short shorts this morning and my legs are sweating. My legs are sweating. They're sweating, boys. It's my enormous balls. The elephantitis. It only affects your balls and not your dick. Got really big balls, little tiny pee-pee. She wants to go. Getting real tight right here. Come on. Got Nvidia trying to push up there 170.33 right now. Nvidia wants to go that 171. Wee! Wee! Karate chop! Hiya! Come on, let's fuck these gay bears. Let's fuck these gay bears, boys. Let's get them. Get them bears. There's a seller at the 77s. Get them out of there. Get them out of there. Give them a big old boner candle. Come on, they want it. Get that. There's a big seller at 77. He's just sitting there. Get him out of there. He filled. We going higher. Let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye, bears. You little gay boys. I'm gonna put this right here. I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to be greedy on that one right there. Let me. Oh, come on, fill me. Oh, I'm too greedy. Somebody said I done learned a lot just from watching your streams and actually doing the work. Damn, dog. You done learned a lot? What you mean you've done a lot? You've been doing it a lot? You done did it a lot? Yeah, I done it. I done it too. I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. I look at the chart. I go, this is, fugazi fugazi. It goes up, it goes down. It goes a woozy a wazi, wheezy wheezy. I basically have a little Filipino man who's telling me when to buy and sell. I paid him $5 off of Fiverr. Best investment ever. My little Filipino indicator. He says, Mister, get long, Mister, get long. I said, ooh, I'm already long, you know what I mean? I'm already excited to see you, little Filipino man. My little Filipino man. Look at him, he loves me so much. He puts on there, #1 day trader on you. I don't even tell him what to write on there. He just writes stuff. I think he might have a little boner for me. He keeps telling me to send him more pictures. I'm like, of what, bro? Of what? You know? Like, he's like, send me pictures. I'm like, just me? Look at that. I told you he loves me. If I was gay, I might have me a little Filipino boyfriend, but I'm not gay. That's the only problem. I got Victoria. We're in love. And trust me, we have sex. Oh yeah, we do. You might not believe it. You guys might believe, you might not believe that a woman would want to have sex with me, but you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. It ain't about what you look like. It's about what you talk like, okay? I got the good talk. I can wine and dine the best of them. All right, I got my break-even stop here. We're either gonna break it or we're gonna bust it. I mean, either way. I mean, I guess one way or another we're gonna bust. So, yeah, people. I love when people be like on the internet, be like, "You're so goofy and ugly," and I'm like, I can only imagine what you look like, bro. I can only imagine. I can only imagine what you look like. Guys think that girls, any dude who thinks that girls are into, you know, at the end of the day, are into looks, bro, you confused. You want to get in a girl's pants, you gotta treat her mean, keep her keen. Nothing will piss off a beautiful woman more than not giving them attention, especially when you're ugly. They'll be like, why is this fucking ugly guy not looking at me? You know? Nah, I ain't looking at you, ho. Or if you really want to get them mad, what you do is you pick out, you know, there's always like a hot woman with like an ugly woman, right? Always. That's just how they go. Cause like, you know, a hot girl never wants to be like out hotted. So like a hot girl will always have like a fat friend, or she'll have like an ugly friend, which is, you know, hey, you got to take care of the ugly girls, right? Everyone got to get loving. But what you do is at the bar, you go up to them and you don't talk to the hot one, right? You just like kind of like, you like introduce yourself, you kind of look at her, but you don't talk to her. You talk to the fat one, you talk to the ugly one, right? I'm telling you, it's true. Does Victoria have frat friends? I don't think she does. But yeah, you want to, you know, you gotta make the hot one wonder why you're not into her. And then before you know it, she's fucking in the back of the car giving you a blowy. You know, it works every time. It's been a long time since I've done that, obviously. Yeah, I've got a girlfriend, but I'm just giving advice for the boys out there. I'll give you, it is true. I don't care what it says. And anybody who's talking shit about me, clearly you never had sex before. You know? Oh, hey, there you go. If the hot one ain't into you, guess what? You always got the big girl. You know, big girls need loving too. Don't be afraid of them big girls. They'll take care of you. They're gonna take care of you real good, because they'll be like, I take care of you, daddy. I'm gonna eat you like a fucking, I'm gonna slurp you up like a smoothie from Smoothie King, full of protein. All right, Nasdaq just tapping into that pivot point. We are long here from the 65s. I took some profit at that pivot point. I've got 3 contracts left per account. I'm moving my stop up to the 73s. I'm made. Bro, I am so excited. You guys don't even understand what I'm about to be doing. Like my life, I don't even, you guys, nobody even understands what is going on in my fucking brain right now. I'm on a whole nother fucking level. A whole nother level, boys. Whole nother level. I'm on a whole nother level. All right, well, we're either gonna break out or we're gonna not break out. So I'm gonna just put my stop right there at the 73s and fuck you. Okay, Nasdaq. Go fuck yourself, Nasdaq. The market makers didn't want me to get paid, did they? That's what they're gonna pull back here, and then you're gonna stop me out, and then it's gonna go higher. How much you wanna bet? 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 True story. See, look, I told you. Classic. Classic. So fucking, oh my God. So annoying. So annoying. Like why? Why? Like why? Bro, this shit it's a scam. You're telling me the market makers are not watching my live stream. You're telling me that right now? You're just magically telling me that. How is that even possible? 73, are you kidding me? How is this possible? I don't even get it. I don't even get it. Are you, look at this? Are you kidding me? Why? Why is this a why? Why me? You know, why? Why does this happen to me for? Like, why can't it ever just like not, you know, why can't it just go right to my fucking target? You know, it's always gonna boo. Pat, watch this, Patrick. Pull back and fucking stop you out. Gotcha, bitch. Oh, man. All right. We're right there at that pivot point. We need some, probably gonna need some more pullback here. We got the opening range high, 850s. The market's just kind of stuck there for now, so. Five-minute chart, maybe pull back here a little bit. Trump's talking. Nasdaq pulling back here now. Probably maybe tap 850 area. 5-minute chart. PW, are you up on the Apex accounts? Nah, bruh, I'm down. I'm down. I'm only up $2,000 first day in the new Apex accounts, okay? Just let me do my thing, okay? Let me live my life, chat. Just let me live my fucking life. Nobody ever just wants me to live my life. Everybody's always like, Pat, are you up? Are you down? You know, like, Patrick, how much money did you make? Patrick, are you making money? Patrick, do you make money? What's an Apex account? Bro, you don't know what an Apex account is? Oh shit, dog. You might want to just walk away now. You might want to just walk. I don't know if you're ready for that Apex life, dog. When a newbie comes along and says, what's Apex? I go, oh, you know, oh God, here we go. We got a newbie. He's about to find out. He's about to find out what Apex is about. Oh, buddy. It's like smoking crack for the first time, you know? First time you smoke crack is the best time. And then after that, it's all downhill. True story. I have no idea. You know, I have no idea. I've never done cocaine. I've only smelt it, okay? I've only smelt cocaine. I have no idea what actually happens. One time I smelt it. You know, that's all. But yeah, true story. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, see, RB Trade said he hates cocaine, but he loves the way it smells. I feel the same way. I feel the same way, man. Old Dirty Trader said his uncle's always smelling his car keys. Yeah, well, if your uncle's always smelling his car keys, that might not be good, to be honest. That could be a bad sign. Your uncle might be doing cocaine, my friend. Chris said, I told you to buy, Patrick. Are you fucking like, hey, Chris, can I meet you somewhere and punch you in the face? Some guy named, TC Antisa Chris. Where do you live? I would love, can we just meet? Like literally, I just want to meet you so I can punch you in the face. You know, just please let me meet you somewhere. We can be friends afterwards, but I just really want to punch you in the face. Please, 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 please. Please. it would make me feel so much better right now. Come on. It won't hurt. Trust me. Like after like 5 minutes, you'll be fine. I won't break your nose. I'll punch you right in the chin. Or in the forehead. The ES is kind of grinding higher. Nasdaq is looking a little bearish right here on the 1 minute chart. Like we could dip down here again. Look at that little bear flag kind of playing out right now. Watching here. Is this a bear flag? Trump is talking, so you never know. The ES is making new highs. Nasdaq's building out a bear flag here. Interesting. Literally just holding there. What a stupid market. Holding that bear flag for now. ES made a new high. Nasdaq has not made a new high. Who follows who here? Who's gonna follow? ES is breaking out to the upside right now. Nasdaq just stuck there at the 870s for now. Looking like a bear flag to me, but Trump talking, anything's possible here. We got 11 o'clock. London slowing down here. 4 minutes till that happens. Ba-ba-ba-bum, 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 ba-ba-ba-bum. Nasdaq pumping now. Uh-oh. Everyone said short, short, short in the chat. Market went up, up, up. Trump bracelet says he's getting short. Take profit at 846s. Okay. Where's your stop at? Where's your stop at, buddy? Tell me where your stop is, because that's where I'm going to take profit at. You know what I mean? You know. Yeah, buddy. All right, your stop's at 888s. Perfect. I like it. Get ready for the pump to the 888s, boys. Is that a McLaren in the background? Yes. Whee! Wee! That's a 765 LT, baby. All right, ES made a new high. Nasdaq, a little pump up. Going nowhere quickly. Trump needs to say something good for the Nasdaq here. Rip 1,000 points really quickly. Trump says everything's free for everybody. Buy the Nasdaq. Imagine during the Trump's meeting, he just says on the mic, hey, everybody, buy the Nasdaq. Everyone's like, what? Just get long, 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 long. What if Trump started a YouTube channel where he day traded? This could be a thing. And then America could become an affiliate. What if the USA, think about that. What if the USA became a prop firm affiliate, right? We could pay off the debt in no time. I'm serious, not even joking. Y'all think I'm joking right now, but I'm like, it's a serious thing. I make so much money, but imagine if Trump was live streaming. Like, he would make so much money, right? You know? Bear flagging, uh-oh. She's a bear flagger. She's Bear flagging hard here, boys. The question is, where does she go next? Got the VWAP all the way down there, 820s. Nvidia's pulling back, Nasdaq's pulling back here. ES is kind of fizzling out as well. Nasdaq did not make a new high, so kind of like a head and shoulders here on the Nasdaq for now. We'll see. Kind of what happens here next, but she's bleeding out there a little bit. That short from the 880s was nice. That was nice. There's that 11 o'clock close, or the 11 o'clock open. It's 11 o'clock now. Market should do something here now. Start moving a little bit better, maybe. Little pumpity bump back up. Back up there to the EMAs again. The ES is now kind of pushing back up. Need to go to a different time frame. Look at the 5-minute chart. Kind of bull flagging here on the 5-minute chart if we can hold this and break back out. But still just stuck there for now. A lot of selling pressure here. Trying to hold it down below that 860 area. That 5-minute candle got denied again. We got the opening range high there, 840, 850 area. Maybe another bear flag here on the 1-minute chart, or what? Bear flag on the 1-minute chart again. Got to go lower maybe first before going higher. Just Chopper McChopperson. What am I looking at right now? I'm just fucking waiting to see something like break here. Kind of looking like these bear flags are playing, but they keep kind of pumping it back up off the lows there again. Kind of moving back. The top of that opening range is the 850s. The ES is kind of pushing up again. Nasdaq's just stuck here, going nowhere quickly. VWAP is 836s. Nvidia just kind of going nowhere. Nasdaq's going nowhere. Kind of see maybe the potential of a squeeze up here. Maybe once Trump stops talking, but just stuck there, those EMAs, holding it down. The chop is real. The high of that last 5-minute candle is 68.50. If we get back above that 70 level, we could start to push back up here. Nvidia is right there at that 170s, 169.999. Look at the bigger picture here. Let's look at the bigger picture. 1 hour chart. We got this high up there from the data, right? That data high up there. That's 902 level. This candle right here don't look very nice, but do I got a favorite football team? No. I don't really watch football. Nasdaq's like trying to get back up above this 870 level here. You can see just kind of this pattern, ding, ding, the little waves. Wave, wave, and then we get the breakout maybe. What's that? Oh. 5-minute getting stuck there again. He needs to get through this 870 level, like needs to show some strength through the 870s. And then I might look for a long, if we get that breakout on the 5-minute. Flaggity flag there. Flagging. Beside the Nasdaq, I'm looking at the Dow, I'm looking at the ES, I'm looking at Nvidia, looking at the QQQ sometimes. It just depends. Looking at different time frames too. I'm looking at like the hourly chart for the Nasdaq, looking at the 5-minute chart, different time frames to kind of get a better idea. Maybe 1-minute chart, well, obviously 1-minute chart, but right now this is a 5-minute chart. We're holding up right there at that EMA for now. The Nasdaq just ain't going nowhere. See, maybe when Trump stops talking, market goes higher, maybe. Yeah, good way to look at it. There's that little push. So now it's like if we get this breakout here, we kind of want to go, I'd be like ding, 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 and then maybe like another little flag. Getting very tight either way. Kind of like one of these there. Five-minute chart. Bulls are just kind of holding up there, those EMAs. And look at the ES right now. ES is going absolutely nowhere. ES is going absolutely nowhere right now. So, a little bit more push here out of the Nasdaq again. A little bit more pushy push. Just gotta be careful here. Trying to be careful. I don't want this to happen again, like that little pump and then there's another dump. So she's pumping. I don't want to get pumped on, you know? I gotta get a water really quickly. All right, there's that trouble that I was afraid of. I was afraid of that trouble right there, the 880s. The Dow broke out of the opening range right now, pushing up there 45,550. Now let's see what happens here. If we're gonna turn this 70 area into support again. Am I drinking beer? Yeah, bro. Good morning to you. Nothing like a nice cold morning beer. It's got electrolytes. It's got electrolytes. Fucking A. Nvidia, everything's kind of like turning up here. This needing like Nvidia just stuck right at 170. The Dow's pushing. Nasdaq's tried to push. We got a pivot point coming up there. Huh. Looks like a cup and handle. Yeah, I like that. Let's try a little longy dongy. Basically stop below this breakout candle there. Risk 10 points for maybe 30 points to the upside here if we start to push. Bum, 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 bum. Come on. Just give me one good clean push today, Nasdaq. Just like one good breakout, just fucking squeeze to the moon, to the 900s, you know? Like, just let me live my life, Nasdaq. If I could just live my life, I could be so happy. So I just want to be happy, Nasdaq. Come on. Sandrew is short. Well, fuck you, Sandrew. You can buy my shares at a higher price, okay? JK. Just K. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Good luck with your short, Sandrew. And I'll be... Hopefully I get lucky with my long. Somehow we can both win. I don't know how we're going to do it, but I hope it works out for both of us. Not looking good. Oh, God. Why me? Classic. So very classic. Well, that was fun. Short-lived. Short-lived there. Okay. That's fun. Whatever. Small little haircut. Small little haircut. Look at this thing. Fucking joke. I don't know, man. Just fucking... What are you gonna do? You know, you fucking... It is what it is. Nasdaq just rolled off there again. Cannot get through the fucking 880s. Classic. So very classic. Just chopping here. Any comment on yo 20-year-old Discord mentors? Nah, bro. No comment. Did my internet cut out? I'm back. I'm back. Don't worry, I didn't go anywhere. Got the VWAP down there at the 822s. Nasdaq can just not decide. It's just in this range, chopping around up here, going nowhere quickly. So you gotta love it, man. Oh, now you look at it, back to the 55s again. If we lose that 55 support, can we go to the VWAP? The ES starting to roll over there as well. The opening range high is at like 848, 850 area. There's the 850s again. VWAP 820s. Luke said, go short. Yeah, Luke, I'm gonna go short right now. All in short. I put everything in short, guys. Everything short. Change your VWAP back to normal. No, John. This is the only VWAP we have now. The channel is glitching. Classic. Refresh the stream if you're having issues. Just refresh the page. Fucking A, dude. Where the fuck is the IT company at? I'm trying to get fiber fucking internet, but the fucking it is all such a joke. It's all a big scam. All it is one big fucking scam. One big ass scam, chat. You gotta refresh the stream, chat. Refresh it if it's lagging on you. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here to the opening range high once again for the fucking, I don't even know how many times. I'm on dial-up, yes. No, I just have fucking retards working for me that nobody can get the fucking internet working. Install Star. I literally just paid a bunch of money to get fucking 5G internet to have as a backup. I don't know. It's all a joke. And nobody, like literally nobody can fucking do their job. It's insanity. I have Starlink on my Raptor. I can maybe need to go pull the Raptor into the BDH, use the Starlink on the Raptor. Maybe that'll work better. Any chance of testing the opening range low? I mean, sure, maybe. Right now, we're not doing shit. Just another fucking Monday. Monday. Internet's not good recently. Yeah, that's what's funny is I hired an IT company recently. Isn't that hilarious? That's hilarious, ain't it? That's the best part about it. I literally just hired an IT company and my internet's not been better. So you gotta love that. Yes, guys, I'm getting fiber. It just takes time. They have to install it. There's no fucking fiber in this area. So they have to like install it. It's a whole fucking process. The market makers are now DOSing my stream. They're DOSing. DDoS. DDoS. Oh, man. Nasdaq can't go nowhere. Just another wild Monday here. Mega money nothing Monday. Building out a bit of a bear flag here, but we've kind of just keep bouncing off this 850 level. If we lose that 850 support, well, then VWAP down there, 824, middle of the VWAP, 811 area. But I mean, look, it's just like kind of fucked up looking. Might need to push up a little bit more before kind of getting that all. If it pushes back up 860 and gets stuck and then start to roll over. Bro lives in the middle of nowhere. It's 2025. How do you not have fiber? I don't fucking know, bro. I don't know. I live in the middle of nowhere. Right next to a major highway. Right next to 95. I'm like literally a mile from 95. I'm in the middle of nowhere. We got no internet here in Florida. We got pigeons. This is crazy. I like the. These are the days that I don't love it. I do not love these kind of days, right? It's just like, these are not my days. They're not fun. It's not fun trading. It's just like shitty trading. Just like stupid price action, market going nowhere. No news Monday. Exactly. DeFi said get short at 60. I mean, no. It just said it could push back up a little bit, maybe, for that bear flag to play out. I don't know. We're right there, bouncing off that opening range again, so. And there they pump it right back up again. You gotta love that. You just gotta fucking love it. Look at that thing. This market's fucked. Like it's fucking retarded. That's all it is. The market is just fucking retarded. There's that little push back up. We'll see if this is gonna now come back down or hold those EMAs there. Try to do so. I don't fucking know. Nvidia just popped up off of the VWAP again. Patrick, if you would have traded ICT, you'd be long. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. If only I traded ICT, everything would be better. My whole life would just be better, actually. What am I? I'm doing it all wrong. I gotta stop. I gotta get some ICT in my life so I can become better at everything. Trading's gonna be so much easier once I have the ICT in my side. Today, the 4-hour exposed what the market was gonna do. Let me see what the 4-hour exposed. Wow, look at it, exposed. I'm so exposed now. What do you mean exposed? What did it expose? What did the 4-hour, what did it expose? Look at it. 4-hour, the 4-hour exposed everything, chat. How did I not look at the 4-hour to know everything? It's all exposed now. Everything has been, the whole entire market is exposed. Connectivity is poor. Where the fuck? Oh my God. I can't deal with this right now. I just cannot. Trading is already hard enough. And then my fucking internet. Like, what a joke. It's literally a joke. It's a fucking joke. Like, it's a joke. Absolute fucking joke right now. And the Nasdaq pumped it back up off of the 50s again. 850s straight back up. Yippity 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 yippity. Don't worry, I got long. I made some money, chat. I'm up $2,700 in the Apex accounts. I passed these accounts on Friday live on YouTube. If you guys were watching on Friday, you would have saw me make all that money with the NFP. She's a pumping it back up now. She pump up, she pump down. She pump up, she pump down. Love the McLaren in the background. I know, me too, man. Look at that thing. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Millions of dollars and I have 3G internet. Yeah, I know. You're not wrong. Like I said, my fucking IT company is worthless. Fucking worthless. Guys, I swear to God. People, I know. People telling me I need to get fiber. Yes, I have already ordered fiber. They came out, they inspected, they gotta run the fucking lines. I don't fucking know, man. They said it takes like 90 days to run the fiber. Oh my God. Jason T said, hire me. I'm a network engineer. Oh, bro, hit me up, bro. You should hire an IT company. I do have an IT company. That's the issue. That is the issue, bro. The issue is I have an IT company. Patrick, isn't it the landlord's job to pay for fiber? I wish. I wish, chat. I fucking wish it was. I fucking wish. I mean, it's so annoying because, like, look at my internet speed. This is the problem. Look at the upload speed. Oh, God. My internet here is just so fucking spotty. That's the problem. It's just so fucking spotty. Yes, I know the upload matters for... I know, I don't care about the... I know, guys, I know the internet, the upload is more important. I know that. I know, okay? I'm not an idiot. Now look at my uploads better. Switch to a modem. Oh, God. Everybody is a fucking Captain Obvious in the chat. Patrick, you gotta get this. Patrick, you gotta get some chipmunks. And you know, they gotta be like on the wheel, just spin. If you have 9 windows open, close a couple. Fuck that, dog. I ain't closing no windows. All right, Nasdaq push back up to the top of the range once again. Ginger, call the fucking IT company, please. Thank you. What in the fuck is going on? I'm literally losing money because my fucking internet don't work. What a joke. I'm not on the Wi-Fi, by the way, guys. I'm on fucking, I'm plugged in. Ethernet. All right, well, the Nasdaq, all the way up to the highs, back down. We are going absolutely fucking nowhere today. Absolutely fucking nowhere. What a fucking great day. What a great fucking day. What a great day. My internet don't work. Fucking nothing. It's great. Everything's great over here. Nothing's good. Is it using cellular? No, I'm using a, I gotta crank the, fuck, hold on a second. I gotta crank the Wi-Fi up. I gotta spin the wheel on the modem. Whee! You gotta spin the modem up really quick. Give me a minute, give me a minute. Oh. Days like this, you really gotta appreciate the days when we're like, you know, the market's moving, you know? You really like, these are the kind of days where you really gotta be like, yep. You know, like I appreciate it. When the market's moving, like I like that. I like that, you know? But I don't like that. It's crazy. For the last hour, we've just been sitting here at the 860s. So, not much to really do. Slow and steady the market goes. Slow and steady does the market go. Slow and steady, boys. The whole market is just watching Nvidia get stuck at 170s over and over all day long. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's up with the stream. Like I said, not much I can do about it. I don't know. It's sucks. What's fun, like I said, it's crazy. The internet has only been worse since I hired an IT company. I swear to God, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's only been worse. All right, well,